Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can clear the cache memory of Adobe Acrobat. If you want to clear the cache memory of Adobe Acrobat on your Android phone, how to do that? First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. Now first of all, go in the mobile settings. Once you're in the mobile settings, scroll down and find apps. Tap on apps and a new sub menu of apps will appear. Tap on manage apps. Once you do tap on manage apps, either search it up of Adobe Acrobat at the very top or go in the list and find Adobe Acrobat. Tap on Adobe Acrobat and at the very top is the storage. Tap on it and at the bottom you can find is clear data. Tap on it and you can see is clear cache memory. Tap on it and tap on OK. And that is how you can simply delete the cache memory of Adobe Acrobat. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.